Okay, I got myself a potential new race car, a 2011 Mini Cooper. Doesn't run, so we're not quite sure what's the problem with the engine. But that's to replace my aging ITA IT7 82 RX-7. Okay, rolled it into the shop. We'll do a quick walk around here. Pretty doggone good shape. I like that it doesn't have a sunroof. Really no dings or anything in the bodywork, which is nice. Not that that won't happen on the racetrack. But like I said, I have no idea what's the issue with the motor. The first thing I'll do is I'll take off the valve cover gasket, see if the timing chain's flopping around. I do have a bad headlight there. Looks like maybe they probably replaced that one. So, yeah. Interior's in pretty good shape. If anyone's looking for a 2011 Mini Cooper interior, let me know, because this will all be coming out eventually. The rear hatch looks all nice. Don't see any rust or anything going on back here, which is cool. The bottom of the doors, they all look pretty good. The door jambs. Oh yeah, I don't think I did too bad for $1,800. Okay, now we'll put it up on the lift and we can take a look, see what it looks like underneath. Should be okay. Guy said he brought it from Arizona 2 years ago to the nice Rust Belt of Ohio. There are a couple of scratches and dings. I'm not sure if you can see those right there. And another one back here on the back quarter panel. See it? Okay, we got the car on the lift. Everything looks nice and clean and tidy. Got the, guessing here, the stock exhaust, which is cool because I need to run the stock catalytic converter. No oil drips or anything. I think we might be missing some underpan stuff here. And that looks pretty good. I'm happy. Wasn't quite sure where to jack up at, but I'm guessing that these guys here are the jack points, because there's on all four corners here. So what I'll do is I'll fabricate some little pieces of wood or something like that that'll sit up in there, that'll sit across on the top of my lift here to do a better job, because my arms obviously are too long.